Hi, this is Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm taking you through the Passport Express 153 ml ultralight. So it's a great little floor plan that we're pretty excited about this year. It is an ultralight, so it comes in at only 3,400 pounds. So very light, very towable. We'll start on the outside. So right off the bat, you'll see a nice full-length power awning with an LED light strip underneath. Outside speakers. Okay. Right under here, we have a little quick connect for your barbecue. If you wanted to attach a low pressure grill to do some outdoor grilling. Black tank flush, help clean out your sewer. And you'll see with the pass-through storage up front, it's full size, just like you'll see in a 30-foot Passport. You'll see the exact same size as in the 153. So lots of little features on the outside. We'll head in. So right off the bat, you'll notice queen bed. Got the nice little reading light underneath. Full-length closet. A little bit of storage underneath the bed as well. Bedding and pillows. Pantry. That can double as a closet. Removable shelves. You get the full-size fridge. Kitchen's got the 3-burner stove, double sink, same size that you'll see again in the big 30-foot trailers. Air conditioning, standard. Okay. Nice U-shaped dinette slide out. So same size dinette, again, that they'll put in the big trailers. Okay, that'll fold down to a double bed if you need extra sleeping. Entertainment TV is standard. Okay, so and that's wired up to the new Furion deck that they're using this year. That's got HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, all that kind of stuff. Speakers are controllable inside or out with that switch. USB port, coat hangers, washroom. So you got tub with the tub surround, and then little vanity, toilet of course. And you can see the slide out really adds some width to such a small trailer. You know, coming in just under 20 feet, there's still a ton of space in here. Once again, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. This is the Passport 153. I'll catch you next time.